Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Meralco Bolts ang Terra Firma Jeep 96-91. Tinanghal na best player of the game si DJ Kennedy sa likod ng kanyang 32 points, 6 rebounds at 4 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 15 points si Newsam, Almasan 15 points, Rios 11 points, Karam 7 points. Nagtala naman ng 6 points si Pascual, Kento 4 points, Hodge 3 points, Pasaol 2 points, Black 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Terra Firma Jeep, Edwards 21 points, Paraiso 20 points, Manuel 13 points, Sanggalang 10 points, Milicio 9 points, Pringle 6 points. Nag-ambag naman si Olivario ng 5 points, Katapusan 2 points, Nonoy 2 points, Ramos 2 points, Ferrer 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng Eastern Hong Kong ang TNT Tropang Giga 105-84. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ramon Chow sa likod ng kanang 17 points. Nagtala naman si Clark ng 36 points, Blankley 24 points, Yang 19 points, Chang 3 points, Lam 3 points, Shaw 2 points, Zo 1 point. Para naman sa natalong TNT Tropang Giga, Hollis Jefferson 33 points, Aurin 12 points, Pogoy 9 points, Oftana 7 points, Eximiniano 4 points. Nag-ambag din ng 4 points si Ebonia, Eram 4 points, Galinato 3 points, Razon 2 points, Nambatak 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 6, 2024. Meralco Bolts 3 wins 0 loss. Northport Batangpier 3 wins 0 loss. San Miguel Bermin 1 win 0 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 3 wins 1 loss. Converse Fiber Xers 2 wins 1 loss. NLEX Road Warriors 2 wins 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 1 win 1 loss. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win 2 losses. TNT Tropang Giga 0 win 1 loss. Blackwater Bossing 0 win 2 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 0 win 3 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 0 win 4 losses. Barangay Hinebra 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 8, 2024 na gaganapin sa Inares Center, Antipolo. Sa first game, maghaharap ang TNT Tropang Giga at Northport Batangpier alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang NLEX Road Warriors at San Miguel Bermin alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.